Hey guys, I'm going to give you a reason why I have the St. George's Cross flag, the old style one, for so many years. Because the old style St. George's Cross flag, the England flag, is about to start to discolour and about to get ripped. There's also another reason why. See the red circle there? That is a broken eyelet. Yeah, so the eyelet came off when I was sorting out the old style St. George's Cross flag. You see the clip hook there attached to it onto the flagpole? I think that is where the broken eyelet is. And I'm going to show you on extreme close-up. Here we are. It's the broken eyelet on a close-up. I'm sorry if it's blurry, but that's the only I can do. Yep, the old style St. George's Cross flag was old because of a broken eyelet.